Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use Amazon gift card to buy another gift card. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna simply access your Amazon first of all and can access your Amazon gift card. Now, if you have been wondering whether you can buy your Amazon gift card with the Amazon gift card, so unfortunately, you cannot use an Amazon gift card to purchase another gift card. Amazon gift cards are just intended for purchase on Amazon.com. You cannot use an Amazon gift card to purchase gift cards from other retailers. Now, you cannot apply an Amazon gift card to an order that contains another gift card as well. It's just not allowed. Amazon doesn't allow that facility over here. But if you're simply having trouble redeeming your Amazon gift card, you can visit the gift card redemption issues help page. They will let you help you out, but unfortunately there is no service you can use Amazon gift card to purchase another gift card. But you can surely use Amazon gift cards on PC and mobile phones, amazon.co.jp sites, and other e-commerce sites that supports Amazon Pay easily. Amazon gift cards are not returnable or refundable as well, except as required by law, and you can use a credit card or debit card to pay for the remaining amount of an order. If your gift card funds are not enough as well, you can simply redeem it on your redeem an Amazon gift card by going to amazon.com or your Amazon app while purchasing something, and it's gonna simply redeem it there, and that's how easy it is to be used. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.